Act as best script right and change the script so it won't match with original one. Make it spin the content and remove any channel name if there. Write the description of around 8,000 words, remove timestamps. 66. Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra gets 10 amazing new features. YouTube https www.youtube.com watch VHLQXTDES2QM transcript EO0E0. Samsung is poised to once again redefine the boundaries of mobile innovation with its highly anticipated flagship, the Galaxy S26 Ultra. More than just another iteration in the successful Galaxy S series, this device represents a leap forward in smartphone engineering, catering to users' ever-growing demands for speed, clarity, longevity, and immersive interaction. 022. With whispers of jaw-dropping specs and revolutionary features, the Galaxy S26 Ultra seems designed to not just meet expectations, but to completely shatter them. A fresh chapter in mobile design and power. The Galaxy S26 Ultra enters the scene with a design that's both striking and refined. Samsung's signature blend of sleek materials and ergonomic excellence returns, Sir 46. This time, refined to deliver a slimmer, more balanced feel in the hand. But beyond aesthetics, this model packs serious muscle under the hood. Its powerful internals are aimed at delivering blistering performance. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or pushing the device through heavy workloads, Samsung's refined user interface and hardware optimization mean you're no longer at the mercy of lag or stutter. 1.09. Applications open in a flash, system transitions feel fluid, and even the most resource-intensive games run smoothly thanks to an upgraded thermal management system that ensures consistent performance without overheating. Battery life that keeps up with real life. One of the most frequently voiced frustrations among smartphone users is battery anxiety, 128. Thankfully, Samsung has made major strides here. The Galaxy S26 Ultra houses a high-capacity battery capable of running up to 2 full days on moderate usage, eliminating the constant worry of where the nearest charging outlet might be. Fast charging technology has also seen a boost, offering a significant power top-up in a matter of minutes. 1.49. Camera tech to rival DSLRs, where the Galaxy S26 Ultra truly begins to separate itself from the pack, is with its advanced photography suite. At the heart of this upgrade is a rumored 200 megapixel periscope telephoto lens, paired with enhanced image processing powered by AI. This setup allows users to snap photos with staggering detail, vibrant colors, and low noise clarity even in challenging lighting conditions. 2.13. Notably, Samsung is said to be bringing back the variable aperture technology first introduced in the Galaxy S9 series. This feature gives the camera the ability to mechanically adjust its aperture based on lighting conditions, ensuring sharp, properly exposed images no matter the setting. For photography enthusiasts and content creators, this reintroduction is a game-changer, bridging the gap between smartphone cameras and professional-grade gear. 2.39. Immersive visuals on a cinematic display. Samsung has equipped the S26 Ultra with a massive 6.88 in dynamic AOL display that offers not just size, but also a stunning visual experience with richer blacks, vibrant colors, and a silky smooth refresh rate. This display is tailor-made for streaming content, competitive gaming, or simply scrolling through social media in crystal clear quality. 3 and 4. Whether under bright sunlight or in a dimly lit room, the adaptive brightness ensures that visuals remain vivid and easy on the eyes. Precision tools for productivity. The S Pen evolution. The S Pen returns in the S26 Ultra with improved latency and more precise input recognition. Artists, writers, and professionals will find it easier than ever to sketch, take notes, annotate documents, or navigate the UI with absolute precision. 3.3. Stylex. Whether you're brainstorming on the go or signing documents mid-commute, the S Pen transforms the device into a versatile productivity tool. AI that works with you, not for you. Samsung is also upping its AI game. With a new AI-powered assistant deeply integrated into the phone's ecosystem, users can enjoy smarter, more context-aware interactions. 03.51. From scheduling tasks and navigating apps to tailoring user settings based on daily habits, this intelligent system adds convenience and customization to the user experience. Security that goes beyond the basics. Protecting your data has become more critical than ever, and Samsung doesn't take that lightly. 0409. The S26 Ultra introduces a multifaceted biometric security approach with an improved ultrasonic fingerprint, scanner, and next-gen facial recognition. These systems are not only faster but also more accurate, providing a seamless unlock experience while maintaining a high standard of privacy. Augmented reality enters a new era. 0429. Perhaps the most headline-worthy feature of the Galaxy S26 Ultra is its advanced augmented reality AR capabilities. Leveraging powerful processors and sophisticated sensors, this phone can merge digital content with the real world in ways that feel tangible and transformative. Imagine trying on virtual clothing, previewing furniture in your home with lifelike accuracy, or diving into interactive educational content where 3D diagrams literally pop off the screen. IU 4.57. These are not just gimmicks, they represent a shift in how we interact with digital information. For professionals, students, and gamers alike, the AR features open up a world of opportunities that go far beyond simple novelty. Looking ahead, the bigger picture. Even as Samsung prepares to launch the Galaxy S25 series, all eyes are already turning toward what the S26 Ultra could mean for the future of mobile technology. 0522. If the rumors prove true, we're looking at a device that not only enhances existing smartphone paradigms, but also introduces entirely new ones. Innovations like the 200 periscope sensor, AI-driven computing, and AR interaction signal a shift toward more immersive, intelligent, and useful devices. Conclusion: a flagship worth the hype. 0544. In summary, the Galaxy S26 Ultra appears to be a culmination of everything Samsung has learned from its previous devices, infused with next-generation features that challenge the status quo. From its stunning display and groundbreaking camera system to its reliable battery life and pioneering AR experiences, this smartphone has something compelling for every kind of user. 604. Whether you're a power user seeking top-tier performance, a creative looking for the best mobile tools, or someone who simply wants a phone that does everything well, the S26 Ultra might just be the upgrade you've been waiting for. As the line between smartphones and full-fledged computing devices continues to blur, Samsung's latest flagship proves it's more than just a phone. 0623. It's a window into the future of digital.